Okay, so Shakeology. I have another video talking about some of the benefits and why I love it, but I wanted to do a video for y'all showing how I make it. So I have a Vitamix. Every blender is going to be different, and you just kind of have to get to know your blender to find the consistency that you like. So I have in here already, I do about 8 ounces of liquid. You can do whatever liquid you want. I choose to do half almond milk, half water. So I put that in there already, and then there is like a specific order that you kind of want to put it if you have a blender that's upright like this. If you have the blender that you tip over like in a cup, it's going to be opposite. So anyway, you do your liquid first, and then you do any powder. So that's when you're going to put your shake powder in. And then if you use powdered peanut butter or anything else like nuts and stuff like that that are that type of harder consistency, you're going to want that in next. If you do it like this, it makes it just like blend up the powder more so that it's not as powdery, if that makes sense. So this is just powdered almond butter that I got at Costco, and I'm making a chocolate cherry almond shake right now, which is one of my favorites. So I did my powders, and then if you're gonna do any leafy greens like spinach, kale, or just like other vegetables, you're gonna put that in next. Whoops. Oh shoot. I usually get like the big bag of spinach from Costco because it's just like the cheapest, and I use a lot of it. So you do your veggies next, and then you're gonna do your fruit. I love these dark sweet cherries from Costco. Ez, be careful. And last, you do your ice. If you want it more thick, you can put your ice in first with the liquid. I like it pretty thick, but not like that I can't like drink it, if that makes sense. So you can kind of experiment with that. He's climbing on the countertop trying to get off. Or trying to get the shake. So I do like, how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 to 10 ice cubes, and my ice maker has this type. So again, it's just experimenting and figuring out what works best for you. Oh, I also sometimes, because I like it a little bit more creamy too, so I'll either use a banana, like half of a banana to make it creamy, or some plain Greek yogurt. So I'm gonna put some plain Greek yogurt in it, because I'm not putting a banana with it because I feel like that would be weird with the cherries, but that's just me. So that's just how I make it. And then, like I said, if you have the turn over blender, like the NutriBullet or Ninja one that you turn over, sorry, there's something in my eye. It's gonna be opposite. So you're gonna wanna put your ice in first, and then your fruit, and then your greens, and then pour your liquid and powder in the top so that the powder is closest to the blade. There's nothing in there, bud. Okay. If you have questions, let me know, and use the recipe document that I sent you. There's tons of good recipes on there, so you're definitely gonna be able to find something that you like. Okay, love you, bye.